Hey everyone, Mike here from ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, bringing you another powerful Excel tool designed to make your work easier. Today, I'm excited to introduce a brand new tool, the Excel Air Quality Calculator. If you need a simple way to check real-time and historical air quality index, AQI data for any location directly within Excel, this tool is exactly what you've been looking for. For over 16 years, we've been developing Excel-based automation tools that help businesses save time, effort, and resources. More than 7,500 clients worldwide have used our tools to streamline their workflows. And with over 130 five-star Google reviews expressing their appreciation, it's clear that our solutions make a real impact. The Excel Air Quality Calculator is designed for businesses, researchers, and professionals who need quick access to air pollution data. It allows you to track, analyze, and monitor both real-time and historical AQI levels based on location, all without leaving Excel. Instead of manually searching for air quality reports, this tool automates the entire process with a simple paste-and-click workflow. Using this tool is incredibly simple. First, enter the location where you want to check air quality. If you need historical AQI data, you'll also need to enter the date and time for when you want the reading. Keep in mind that the tool can only retrieve historical air quality data from the past 30 days. Anything older than that won't be available. Once your data's entered, click either Calculate Current Air Quality to get real-time results, or Calculate Historical Air Quality if you're analyzing past data. Within seconds, the tool will display the AQI value, air quality category, and the dominant pollutant for that location. It's as simple as that. In the data sheet, you'll see the results neatly organized, making it easy to sort, filter, and analyze the information however you need. The tool pulls air quality data using the Google Maps API and Air Quality API, ensuring accurate and up-to-date information. If you need to clear results, there's a built-in clear button to make the process seamless. This tool is perfect for businesses and professionals who rely on air quality data. A real estate agent can use it to provide air quality reports for potential home buyers. A logistics manager can check pollution levels along delivery routes to optimize driver safety. A health and safety officer can track air quality trends to ensure compliance with environmental regulations. Whether you're in research, compliance, urban planning, or environmental consulting, this tool gives you the insights you need, fast and accurately. You can download the Excel Air Quality Calculator using the link in the description. If you have any questions or need a customized version, feel free to reach out to us. Our phone number and email are in the description. You can also reach us via live chat where you'll be talking to a real person, not a bot. If you found this tool helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more Excel automation tools. Until next time, stay informed and breathe easy.